6:30 on Monday. Today is the start of the trip. I'm gonna head down to Norfolk, Virginia. I'm gonna pick up a free camping stove off of Facebook Marketplace. What an adventure, right? But yeah, here we go. We've used their protocols and everything they were doing is... Check this out. Just picked this thing up for free on Marketplace. It's a real old Coleman camping stove with a cool original manual. This thing is going to be perfect for hooking up while I'm camping. Check out this forest road here. This is actually pretty sick. Just driving down here, trying to get to the campsite, but it's bumpy, but it sure is cool back here. All it is just woods, just like miles of woods. This is awesome. So yeah, apparently it's just 6 miles that way. We're probably like 3 now, but we should be getting there pretty soon. Maybe get all the extra good view. Just got to the camping site, and there's a truck there, but right back here there's an even better camping site. But the issue is I gotta drive through some like off-road terrain. To be honest, I don't know if I can make it, but here it is. I feel like if I hit it with some speed, I can probably make it through that. Really no idea though. But I feel like, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to send it and see if I can make it, I guess. Golly, this is gonna be sketchy. Alright, we're doing it, baby. We are doing it. We got country bacon grits, we got original grits, and we got cheddar cheese. This should be delicious. A real secret menu item. I'm looking forward to this. And here's the secret. You want to make sure to mix it up before you add your water. I don't really know if that helps, but the water. Look at the view from this campsite. I'll show you guys the spot. Here's the rig. Here's the setup. I'll do a tour of this eventually in the video, and then just over there is where that mud I drove through. Not that mud. There's mud further down that I drove through, and I would have gone further, except I don't really think I can make it through all that. But yeah, I'm getting ready to get out of here. It's supposed to rain today, but hopefully I can get to the skate park before it rains. Maybe I'll buy a new board today. We'll see. Hey there, dude. I gotta rescue it. I gotta make sure he's alright. I want to keep him so bad. Please don't bite me. I guess he's going over here. Can I step in this? Alright, there you go, buddy. Be safe. Bye-bye. Made it just before the rain. Let's go check this park out. I stopped in a local skate shop today, picked up a fresh new Andy deck. I'm looking forward to trying this out. I've been wanting to try this one for a while. Got some green rails, and this is the grip I'm going to use, and I'm just trying to come up with a pretty cool design, but yeah, let's see how it turns out. Alright, this is what I could come up with. I'm going to trim it up and you can see how it looks.
Do you guys want to know about a life hack? If you go to Wendy's and you tell them you have 2 free Frosty keychains, they'll give you 2. They're like miniature size, but they're still free Frosties. And I technically have 1. I don't even have 2, but they're about to give me 2 of them for free. I'll set this up on camera so y'all can see it.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. Let's go! Fried rice I got from the Walmart today. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning from the Wilmington, North Carolina Cracker Barrel. Today, I'm not really sure what the plan is. Again, we're headed down a long dirt road to tonight's campsite. Hopefully it's as good as it looks online. The information's kind of unclear on it, but it should be a cool site. For my evening snack tonight, not quite my dinner, I'm gonna have some tamales in a can. Time to see if these things are any good. We'll see. Not bad for $1.25. It's raining really hard. I camped just outside of Charleston, South Carolina last night, and I'm gonna head into the city today. Hopefully hit a few skate parks, get some new wheels, and then I'm gonna make my way down into Georgia. I camped at this National Reserve last night, and it is beautiful here. Let me show you guys. some donuts and some blackened seasoning. I'm anticipating catching some fish. It'd be nice to, you know, cook something up, more real food. I'm gonna head to this skate park under a bridge, and I don't really know what the rest of the plan tonight is. What the heck is that? Holy! All right, here we are at the. I think we're at the skate park. I'm gonna park under here and then get a session in. Let's check it out. Good morning from Savannah, Georgia. I had an okay night's sleep last night, right next to I-95 at this Cracker Barrel parking lot. It was a little bit loud, a little bit noisy, but you know, it did the job. It was free. As for the plans for today, definitely gonna hit up the only skate park in Savannah, Georgia, which is kind of weird that this big city only has one, but we'll see what the one park has to offer. And then I'm gonna head south, probably gonna head into Florida today, and once I get to Florida, I've got a big surprise for you guys. I think you'll like it. It's a pretty big surprise. All right, in the Walmart parking lot again. We got some noodles and some dumplings. I'm gonna try to whip up something with this sauce packet and see, and some teriyaki sauce, and see how this turns out for lunch. No, come back. Listen to how crisp the pop is on this fresh flight. On the way to the next campsite for tonight. It's supposed to be another one of those national forest free camping sites, and it's supposed to have a big giant lookout tower, which I'm pretty excited for. Hopefully it's not too crowded, since it is a Friday night. You know, everyone getting there ready to go camping over the weekend. We'll see. Does this scene look familiar? Seems like every site's down a long dirt road. 10 out of 10.
Good morning from the top of the world. I'm up here drinking breakfast, and I think the plan for today is to go and show you guys that secret surprise I was going to show you. Also, might try to go to the beach and hit some skate parks, but maybe not. I'm starting to get pretty tired.
Found this little guy on the ground. He's gonna be my little mascot during this trip now. I've always wanted to have a van, but instead I got the old work truck here. Alright, I left the campsite. I'm kind of just driving around in the woods back here trying to just explore, see if I can find anything cool. I'll let you guys know if I find anything sick. We'll see. A pond! Going fishing, baby!
That's my room 5.
I was just driving along the dirt road and saw this pond. I'm gonna try my hand at fishing, see if I catch anything. Haven't got to do any fishing yet this trip. The plan for today has changed. I'm not gonna go to the beach or do my secret surprise, which will happen tomorrow. But today I think I'm just gonna run into town, get some errands done, clean out the camper, do laundry, get a gym membership so I can take an actual shower instead of like the bathroom ones I have been taking. But yeah, unless I find another good fishing spot, although this one wasn't great, I didn't catch anything. Charred. It looks like there must have been a forest fire. Alright, just left the campsite, headed into Jacksonville, Florida today. No real plans. I'm definitely going to hit the skate park, and the other main thing I want to do is go to the secret destination that I have planned. It's the 3rd day in a row that I've been saying I'm going to go there. Today I'm going to go there. It's on the way, and yeah, it should be pretty epic. Let's go.
Some kind of moving thing, something unseen. And by
I was leaving the skate park, and on my way to the beach I ran into this farmer's market, so I picked up some delicious Filipino food. But now I'm going to the beach, and later on today it's time for the surprise. Look at this. I believe it's a tortoise. It's pretty big, but it smells terrible. It sucks my first time seeing a tortoise in real life or in nature. Is dead on the side of the road.
Epic time at the beach. This was so amazing that I drove here all the way to Florida. But yeah, now it's time to go to the secret surprise for today. All right, do you want to see the surprise I was telling you about? So yeah, now you know what the surprise was. I think for the rest of the day I'm probably gonna go skate somewhere since the rain's supposed to hold off till this evening, and then I'm gonna probably find a Cracker Barrel or something to sleep at. But yeah, got a brisket sandwich, which is delicious from Buc-ee's. From Buc-ee's, baby! Alright, well, I'm at Cracker Barrel where I plan to sleep tonight, but there's a stupid sign that says no sleeping. So, not gonna be sleeping here, but I'm gonna do some Googling and hopefully, you can't see me, but hopefully I'll find a better spot and then I'll keep you guys updated. Let's see how this goes. But yeah, headed down the road. I think I found a good campsite, or not even campsite, it's just a rest area along I-95 here just to spend the night at. We'll see though. I'll update you guys when I get there. I'm at the rest stop in Mims, Florida on 95 North. I just got a call from my dad that he's coming to Florida today. I had no idea. He's like, you want to pick me up at the airport? So yeah, I'm headed to the airport. I'll show you guys the site, and then yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my dad. That's funny. That's so funny.
I'm taking a picture of my Uber driver.
Yeah.
You just take a picture of it, yeah. Or you do this and then take like.
Yeah, I got it. All right, good morning. We're at some place in Florida. I don't really know. I'm a little bit tired today. It's all good. I think I'm gonna try to cook up a bit of a more legit breakfast today. So I'm gonna go to a Publix, which I've yet to been to one of those, but apparently it's just like the Florida grocery store. I'm gonna get, you know, something for breakfast, cook it up, and then I'm gonna try fishing, and then maybe do some kind of fish for dinner if I can catch it or not. We'll see. Hopefully, I ate a whole bunch of potato salad for dinner, and it was supposed to give me a lot of energy, but it just made my tummy hurt. So it's all good. But let's see how it goes. On this side is my bed. Under here, I've got like my clothes, and these are tripods, that kind of stuff. This is my food. This is the cooking area, the cooking side. I had noodles for breakfast. That's the cooking bin, that's the cleaning bin. There's my cooler that just kind of keeps things warm-ish, not really hot. There's my shoes bin, there's my shoes, there's my water, there's my fishing rods. And I found a place to sleep last night. It's this. Got the eggs cooked up. Now I'm gonna make some sandwiches, and this is gonna be so nice. It's gonna be like the most legit meal I've had in a while. This turned out so good. I think for the rest of today, I'm probably just gonna definitely try to go fishing, and I've acquired a new goal. I need to catch a lizard. I'll show you guys some of the lizards I've seen around here. They're pretty awesome, and yeah, I think fishing and then catching the lizard, and then I'm gonna go skating tonight. I think that's the plan for today. Guess he didn't catch any fish. Yes, look, shh, be quiet. I don't want to scare him. I hope he doesn't attack me. Sorry. Alright, I didn't film much the first part of the day, but I just got to the first fishing spot, so I'll go show it to you guys, and hopefully we catch some fish, because I'd like to make fish curry for dinner if I catch the right kind of fish. We'll see. Alright, currently at fishing spot number 2. Hopefully we catch some fish at this one, because he caught nothing at the last one. We'll see though. It's a little bit disgusting under this bridge. I don't know if you can see that. Yuck. Good morning. Today's Miami day. I'm gonna go to Miami and probably skate, maybe do some fishing. We'll see how the day goes. Not 100% sure. I think tomorrow is gonna be Key West day, and then it'll be time to start heading north. We're at the Walmart parking lot right now, about to try to cook up something with some, they had this good looking chorizo and these things, which I've never had. They look to be some sort of like thick tortilla with cheese and milk. I don't know, but I got these, chorizo, queso fresco, some cilantro, and lime. I'm gonna try to cook a little bit of like a taco type thing up here. Alright, let's try them. Definitely a little spicy, but really good for sure. New seating position unlocked on the floor. Traffic in Florida is horrible. Jeez Louise. Alright, we just arrived at the world famous Lot 11 skate park in Miami. We're underneath the bridge. Let's go check it out. Good morning, it's Key West day. I'm gonna head down to Key West, gonna fish the bridges, gonna see the southernmost point in the continental US, and I am going to stop at Wendy's and get 2 free Frosties. Let's have a great day today. Got my Frosty, made it to the Keys. I'm gonna go to the southernmost point of the U.S. now. It's gonna be pretty awesome. It is hot. It is like 1,000,000 degrees. I'll show you how hot it is. Look at that. Ugh. Currently walking around looking for a low-hanging coconut. That's today's mission, is to get a coconut. Just got to the truck here. And look what I see. I'm gonna have to be quick. This coconut looks to be more juice than meat, but I'll give it that. Alright, test it. I don't know if it should taste like that. I hope I don't get sick. Let me pour it out into a cup. Alright, good morning. We're in Pensacola, Florida today. I didn't really film anything yesterday. My fault. I just drove like 1,000 miles. I went all the way from the Keys all the way up to Pensacola. So it was just like a lot of driving. I hit some skate parks. I threw the clips in there. But yeah, I think now I'm going to head to another skate park. I'm going to make my way towards New Orleans. I don't know if I'm going to go there today or probably tomorrow more likely. But yeah, I think tomorrow will be New Orleans day. And then I'm not sure whether I head west or I head east, or north, I mean. We'll see. Check out this crazy thing I just found in the woods. What the heck is this? I'm totally gonna climb it. Just left the skate park and now I'm headed to the city of New Orleans and I'm gonna ride my board there. Let's see, it's only 3 miles away, so it should be a quick little trip. I stopped to this little bodega thing and got a
po' boy, a shrimp po' boy. I skated into New Orleans. It was awesome. Today's probably been one of the most enjoyable days of the whole trip. It was pretty awesome.
Yeah, I'm in Texas. What the heck? Alright, I owe you guys a little bit of an update. The last footage is from New Orleans in the vlog. The next day I drove into Texas, spent the whole day driving through Texas, and now I'm in Colorado, long story short. So yeah, my phone ran out of storage. I wasn't able to really film anything, but I'm going to start using Snapchat because that'll save my videos without using up any storage, hopefully.
Just started this hike. The views are already beautiful. I got my my hiking buddy Owen, and we are going up there now. Take a video. You take a shit. All right, this is day 35 of climbing Mount Everest. We're starting to get to the peak of Mount Everest. You can almost see it up there.
Beer in my hand.
Holy shit. Yeah, literally.
Snow's packed in here too.
Yeah, it's like
Frozen.
it's great. I guess because it's probably colder up here. We're grilling up some green peppers and onions. We got some Italian sausage, about to make subs. Got the Coors Banquet from Golden, Colorado. Here's Owen. What did you think of that hike today that we did?
It's pretty cool.
You heard it here. The hike was pretty cool. This is gonna be delicious. Check out the camping spot from last night. This is where we stayed. There's a fire pit. There's Owen. There's Owen's car where he slept. There's my car where I slept. And I think today we gotta still figure out what the plan is. All right, so our adventure for today is we're driving straight up there, straight up that mountain. We should be able to go all the way up there, like literally that kind of height. We'll see though. Let's go, baby. Yo, this is crazy.
Do you think we're like short enough to get through that?
I think so. You want to look at it? Check out this trail. I don't know if you guys can see how steep it is, but it is incredibly steep. And look at these views. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is truly incredible. Alright, we're coming down the mountain. You can see the town down there. And we just made it past all the hard stuff. It should be, you know, just down the dirt road, and then there we are, back in town. That was pretty cool though. Alright, we just got back to camp. Owen's grilling up some hot dogs and chili. This is our camp for the night. And yeah, we got some cool stuff to explore, like that thing up there. This is gonna be pretty awesome. Check this out, this is crazy. This is insane. I'm like 1,000 million feet in the air right now. I was gonna like do. Alright, we're walking up this mountain. We're halfway up. Hopefully right up there should be some cool stuff. Look at the size of that giant boiler. Thing's as big as me. This must have been the winch that carried up all these old mine cars, like that one there, and this one here. If you look down here, you can actually see some of the old track. It's kind of hard to see, but it goes straight down there. It's pretty neat. There's an old mine car. Later, homie. Later. Have a good day. All right, Owen's gone. He just left, as you saw in the last clip, and now I'm gonna head to Moab. I don't know if you can see, but my lips are very chapped. I need to go get some chapstick and drive straight to Moab. Let's go. Look how beautiful this pea spot is. Campsite for tonight. I just drove into Moab. The drive here was the most beautiful scenic drive, like literally ever. And yeah, so looking like it might rain, but I think I'm about 30 minutes from the campsite, and I'll show it to you guys once I get there. All right, here's the setup. I got the bed on this side. This is like the cooking area. Yeah, like this whole thing is like all messed up. All my stuff is everywhere because I was like bouncing all around. But check out this spot, bro. I don't know if you can see it, but it's fucking sick. And then this is like the trail. Like there's a mountain over there, and then there's like this dirt trail. Sick. So I'm in line for Arches National Park. I got here earlier today and they were like, you gotta have a reservation. So time number 2, hopefully we can get through this time. Heard it's pretty awesome. Yeah, look how pretty this is. This was so worth the wait already. Woo! On the way to tonight's campsite. Hopefully I can make it up there in time to still catch the sunset. It should be pretty good. I got green peppers and sausage for dinner again. This might be the saltiest place I've ever been. My phone storage is really shoddy right now, so the vlog probably hasn't been super coherent and complete, but yeah, I'm in Nevada now and I'm headed to a campsite. I'll show you guys once I get there. Hopefully my phone can record it. Yeah, I just woke up. I'm making some curry chicken ramen. Look at this stuff. I got this at the Dollar Tree in Salt Lake City. Man, they had some good stuff there. I'm really excited to try this. But yeah, today the plan is I'm gonna head to hopefully Oregon. There's like this beautiful coastal town there in Oregon. I might not make it all the way. It's about 11 hours, but it's 7:30 now. I'm gonna head there and California tomorrow. Maybe the Redwoods tomorrow. Probably the Redwoods tomorrow. That's so cool, baby. Let's go. So we're headed out of this this spot I camped at last night, and we're headed into Oregon. And yeah, let's get this show on the road, baby. Look how beautiful it is, though. And some cool off-roading trails here too. There's a steep part up ahead. Not that it's that crazy. All right, look at the view. Lake, mountains, everything you can need. Little head right there. There he is. There he is. Yeah, that's cool. Bye, gopher. Look at all these bugs. So I'm on my way to Oregon, and the road through Central Nevada is literally just desert. Nothing else. Let me show you guys. This is so cool. You're telling me this just exists? Like, it's just a place? It's wild. What the hell? Check out this campsite I stayed at last night. It was right on a boat ramp here. It was really nice, beautiful mountains, and yeah, I think for the rest of today I'm gonna head into probably the redwood forest in California and maybe skate along the Oregon coast. Check it out, I made it to the redwood forest. It is incredible here. I gotta rush off this 6-mile hiking trail to find out where I'm gonna sleep tonight, but I'll update you later. Holy crap. This is incredible. Oh my goodness. All right, we made it to the redwoods. Check out the size of this tree. This was a camping spot from last night, and today I'm headed into San Francisco. "100% a robot." That's a robot right there. Robot. Above the Golden Gate Bridge. Good morning from where I slept last night. It was on the side of the highway here. Let me show you the view. Here's the highway. I got these breakfast sandwiches at Walmart, and they're gonna be my breakfast, but you might be saying to yourself, Tracy, you don't have a microwave. How are you? All right, so the first step is you're gonna wanna wrap them up real good in tin foil. Time to... All right, here's breakfast, baby. Let's open it up. Hi, Martin. Here is the big sequoia trees that you wanted to see. Here's one. Here's another one. I picked up these 2 cool hitchhikers, and now they're going to their campsite.
Hi, Bear. He's the literal cutest ever. Oh, that's so cool. This was a campsite last night. Just over there is Yosemite. And today I'm gonna head to Zion National Park. It's about a 7-hour drive, so today I'm gonna go to a bunch of national parks. I just got through Zion National Park. Now I'm headed to Bryce, and then after Bryce Canyon, I'm going to the Grand Canyon, which should be pretty awesome. And then tonight I'm gonna camp in New Mexico with my friend Owen again, so that'll be cool.
Hey, where'd you learn how to drive?